Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Did you know your Android phone can turn into a portable Wi-Fi hotspot in just a few seconds? This is extremely useful when you don't have access to Wi-Fi and need to share your mobile data with another device. And the best part, you don't need complicated equipment or a separate router. In this video, I will show you how to turn on your Android phone's Wi-Fi hotspot, check the password, and manage your hotspot settings, all using just your phone. But before that, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Step 1. Open hotspot settings. Step 2. Turn on Wi-Fi hotspot. Step 3. Check your hotspot name and password. Step 4. Use the quick settings shortcut. Let's break it down step by step. At step number 1, open hotspot settings. First, open the settings app on your Android phone. Depending on your device, look for options such as connections, network and internet, or hotspot and tethering. Cannot find it? No problem. Simply use the search bar at the top of settings and type hotspot. Look for Wi-Fi hotspot, mobile hotspot, or a similar option. Tap it to open the hotspot settings. Step number 2, turn on Wi-Fi hotspot. Now look for the switch labeled Wi-Fi hotspot or mobile hotspot. Tap the switch to turn it on. That's it. Your Android phone is now broadcasting its own Wi-Fi network using your mobile data. You can think of your phone as a small portable Wi-Fi router. Just remember that devices connected to your hotspot will use your phone's mobile data, so keep an eye on your data usage. Step 3. Check your hotspot name and password. Now let's check the information other devices will need to connect. Tap Wi-Fi hotspot, mobile hotspot, or the hotspot settings on your phone. You will usually see a hotspot name and password. The hotspot name is the Wi-Fi network that other devices will see. The password is what they will need to enter before they can connect. If your phone allows you to change the password, choose something that is easy for you to remember but difficult for other people to guess. Avoid using simple passwords like your name or phone number. Step number 4. Use the quick settings shortcut. Here's the fastest way to turn your hotspot on next time. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open quick settings. Look for the hotspot tile. If you do not see it immediately, swipe again to expand the panel or tap the edit button to add the hotspot tile. Once it is available, you can simply tap hotspot whenever you need to share your mobile connection. That can save you from opening settings every time. Bonus tip. Check connected devices. One more useful feature is checking who is connected to your hotspot. Go back to your hotspot settings. Depending on your Android phone, you may see an option such as Connected Devices, Devices Connected, or Manage Devices. This lets you see which devices are currently using your hotspot. If you see a device that you don't recognize, turn off the hotspot or change your hotspot password. And when you are finished sharing your connection, remember to turn the hotspot off to help conserve battery and prevent unwanted connections. And that's it. And for disclaimer section, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and hotspot options may vary depending on your Android device model, manufacturer, region, Android version, and mobile carrier. Mobile hotspot usage may also be subject to your carrier's data limits, restrictions, or additional charges. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, or any Android manufacturer. Please use these features at your own discretion. And that is how to turn your Android phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot in just a few seconds. Now you know how to turn it on, find your hotspot password, access it quickly from quick settings, and check which devices are connected. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.